This video will show you how to install the Internet thermostat BBoil RF. Included in the box are user manual, mounting hardware, central controlling block, and the wireless temperature sensor. Connect the 220 volts power supply to the device. Then connect your device's face or dry contact to the central controlling block. The device is now in setup mode. Unscrew the screw of the temperature sensor. Put AA size batteries and then screw back the 4 screws. Use Smart Config mode to connect the device to the local network. Enter the password of the network BBoil RF would be operating in. With the BBoil RF, you can control your devices manually or with a predefined schedule. Now you can control and monitor your heating and cooling systems from everywhere in the world.